The sun, a giant ball of burning gas. It dominates our sky, but it's more than just a bright light. The sun is the reason for life on Earth. Without the sun, our planet would be a frozen wasteland. No plants, no animals, no us. The sun provides us with light and warmth. It drives our weather patterns. It even influences our moods. For centuries, humans have worshipped the sun. Ancient civilizations built temples and monuments in its honor. Today, we study the sun with powerful telescopes. We're learning more about its secrets all the time. The sun is a fascinating and complex object. It's a star, just like the billions of others we see in the night sky. But this star is ours. It's the center of our solar system. It's our cosmic powerhouse. Deep within the sun's core, an incredible process unfolds. It's called nuclear fusion. This is the sun's power source. Imagine hydrogen atoms smashing together at incredible speeds. They fuse together to form helium. This releases an enormous amount of energy. The pressure and temperature at the sun's core are unimaginable, millions of degrees Celsius. This intense environment allows fusion to occur. Every second, the sun converts millions of tons of hydrogen into helium. This process releases the energy that sustains our solar system. The sun is not a solid object. It's made of different layers of gas. Each layer has unique properties. At the center lies the core. This is where nuclear fusion takes place. Above the core is the radiative zone. Energy from the core slowly travels through this region. Next comes the convective zone. Here, hot plasma rises and cools, creating a churning effect. Finally, we reach the photosphere. This is the visible surface of the sun. Above the photosphere are the chromosphere and corona. These outer layers are visible during a solar eclipse. The sun's energy travels to Earth as electromagnetic radiation. This includes visible light, infrared radiation, and ultraviolet radiation. Plants use sunlight for photosynthesis. This process converts light energy into chemical energy. This is how plants produce food and oxygen. Animals, including humans, depend on plants for food and oxygen. Without the sun, the food chain would collapse. The sun's energy also drives Earth's weather patterns. It heats the atmosphere and oceans, creating winds and currents. Section 5. Sunshine and everything nice. The benefits of our star. The sun provides us with numerous benefits beyond basic survival. Sunlight helps our bodies produce vitamin D. This vitamin is essential for strong bones and a healthy immune system. Sunlight also plays a role in regulating our sleep cycles. It influences our mood and can even boost our energy levels. Solar energy is a clean and renewable source of power. We can harness this power using solar panels. This technology converts sunlight into electricity. Section 6. Solar flares and sunspots. The sun's temperament. The sun is not always calm and predictable. It can exhibit powerful eruptions called solar flares. These flares release bursts of energy and charged particles. Sunspots are cooler, darker regions on the sun's surface. They are caused by intense magnetic activity. Solar flares and sunspots can disrupt satellites and power grids on Earth. Scientists monitor the sun closely to predict these events. Section 7. Fun facts about the sun. A stellar celebrity. Here are some interesting facts about our nearest star. The sun is about 109 times wider than Earth. It takes light from the sun about 8 minutes to reach Earth. The sun is about 4.6 billion years old. It's classified as a yellow dwarf star. The sun's gravity holds our entire solar system together. Section 8. The life cycle of a star. From birth to red giant. The sun is about halfway through its main sequence lifespan. In about 5 billion years, it will begin to run out of hydrogen fuel. As the sun ages, it will expand and cool, becoming a red giant star. It will engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth. Eventually, the sun will shed its outer layers. It will leave behind a small, dense core called a white dwarf. This white dwarf will slowly cool and fade over billions of years. Section 9. Conclusion. The sun's legacy. The sun is a powerful and awe-inspiring celestial object. It's the source of life on Earth and the center of our solar system. Understanding the sun helps us appreciate our place in the universe. It reminds us of the interconnectedness of all things. Even though the sun will eventually die, its legacy will live on. The elements forged in its core will continue to exist. They will form new stars, planets, and perhaps even new life.